It makes you want to get on that plane, experience it firsthand. And speaking of which, the articles had some really good practical tips, like they stressed packing light.
Music to my ears. Less is more, right? Especially when you're on the move. Though anything specific about packing light for Bosnia and Herzegovina?
Cobblestones, my friend. Those streets plus some hills, maybe navigating train stations. Bulky suitcase recipe for disaster.
Yeah, those charming streets can turn into a workout real quick if you're lugging too much. So backpack, small roller bag, that's the ticket.
Exactly. And pack for all seasons, even if you're going during what should be the nice weather.
Because mountain weather does what it wants. And I'm sensing a lot of mountains in Bosnia and Herzegovina.
You got it. Sunshine 1 minute, downpour the next. Gotta be ready.
Layers, it is.
Yeah?
And a good umbrella. Switching gears a bit. Safety. We've touched on being mindful in areas impacted by the war, but overall, how safe is Bosnia and Herzegovina for travelers?
Very safe, generally. But like anywhere, common sense goes a long way.
Be aware, don't flash cash, no wandering alone late at night if you're not familiar with the area. Pretty standard stuff.
Exactly. And trust your gut. Situation feels off, it probably is. Get out of there, ask for help. The articles did emphasize, though, people are by and large very welcoming, happy to help if you need directions or have questions.
That warmth coming through again. Okay, how about tipping? Customary there.
It is, but more low-key. Small tip for good service, restaurant, cafe, that's appreciated. Taxis, round up to the nearest mark.
Gotcha. No need to overthink it. So I want to circle back to this idea of using Bosnia and Herzegovina as a jumping off point.